Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a quick follow-up on that Lionel 8310 that arrived yesterday. Now, I've got it on the third rail, and I've got the E unit working, as you see. This was $9. This little locomotive is running just absolutely splendidly. Anyway, that's 50% power, as you see. So it runs nice, it looks nice. Put a front truck on it, it's complete, and it's running forward and reverse now. So this is running really, really well. As you see. Anyway, like I said, I don't usually buy Lionel unless I can get it really cheap. This one was $9. That 1655 was $15. As you see, this is running really, really well. So I got the E unit broken loose finally. This is running really well. So just a quick follow-up on this. You know, as I always stress, don't overlook the junk. This was $9 on eBay. Had a few drops of oil, basic cleaning, lubrication, tweaking and unbending things. And this is up and running. This is quite heavy. This is all cast, of course. It's surprisingly heavy. It'll pull 20 cars. As you see, runs nice, looks nice, and a working E unit. So, just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.